Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to unnest clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here you can see that I have a nested sequence in the timeline, and now I want to get the clips out of it and basically unnest everything. As this is a demo, I don't have many clips here, so I can see the nested sequence pretty easily. But when you're working on a big project, you may find it hard to locate the nested sequence. So the first thing I'm going to do is right-click on the nested sequence. In the pop-up, click on this down arrow to scroll down and go to the Reveal in Project option. Click on it. Once I do that, you'll see my nested sequence highlighted in the project panel. But before I can actually unnest the clips, I need to head up to this button right here and turn it off. This is important, otherwise Premiere will keep everything nested. Once that's disabled, I can go back to my nested sequence in the project panel, click and drag it back into my timeline, and you'll notice that all the clips come in separately instead as one single nest. And just like that, everything is unnested and ready for editing. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.